What was the seriously gift you opened this Christmas? My mother-in-law is very much a theme giver. My son gets everything saxophone related because that is what he plays. My daughter gets gifts with cats because she likes cats. I have been dealing with breast cancer for the past year, so for Christmas, she got me a breast cancer awareness shirt, Christmas ornament, because nothing screams Christmas like cancer, and a tabletop snowman decorating a Christmas tree with breast cancer ribbons. I was polite and said thank you, but inside I wanted to scream, "Are you kidding me?"